Applying for a personal loan can be a daunting task, especially when choosing between two popular lenders like Best Egg and Prosper. This guide will walk you through the process of applying for a loan with both lenders, highlighting their key differences and requirements. First, understand the basics of both lenders. Best Egg is a lending platform that offers personal loans with fixed interest rates, while Prosper is a peer-to-peer lending platform that connects borrowers with investors. Both lenders cater to borrowers with fair to good credit scores, but have different loan terms and interest rates. To apply for a loan with Best Egg, start by visiting their website and filling out the online application form. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, employment status, and credit score. Best Egg will then review your application and provide you with a loan offer, which may include multiple options with different interest rates and repayment terms. In contrast, applying for a loan with Prosper involves creating a listing that includes your loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. Investors will then review your listing and decide whether to fund your loan. Prosper requires a minimum credit score of 640, and interest rates range from 6.99% to 35.99%. When choosing between Best Egg and Prosper, consider the interest rates and fees associated with each lender. Best Egg charges an origination fee of 0.99% to 5.99%. while Prosper charges a fee of 2.41% to 5%. Additionally, consider the loan terms and repayment options, as both lenders offer different repayment schedules and penalties for late payments. To increase your chances of approval with either lender, make sure to have a good credit score, a stable income, and a low debt-to-income ratio. You should also have a clear understanding of your financial situation and a plan for repaying the loan. In conclusion, applying for a loan with Best Egg or Prosper requires careful consideration of your financial situation and the terms of the loan. By understanding the key differences between these lenders and following the application process, you can make an informed decision and secure a loan that meets your needs. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the loan and ask questions before accepting an offer.